Hi, my dear students. Welcome to India's biggest online platform, ME Educational Institutions. In this session, we can solve some problems based on thermodynamics. Let's start the session. When a gas filled in a closed vessel is heated by raising the temperature by 1 degree centigrade, its pressure increases by 0.4%. The initial temperature of the gas is. Here, coming to this gas filled in the closed vessel. Understand this closed vessel concept. In case of closed vessel, vessel is closed and volume is not changing. That vessel means you can need to assume it as rigid. Okay, na? So here volume is constant. Temperature and pressure both are varying. Like that we need to follow. Understood na? So we need to assume that it is rigid. That is why volume is constant. What is given data? Rise in temperature dt equal to 1 degree centigrade. Increase in pressure, percentage increase in pressure, dp, percentage increase in pressure, 0.4%. Now initial temperature, that would be, we need to calculate. Rise in temperature is given, increase in pressure given, they are asking initial temperature. Now we need to write the given data in the proper manner. Rise in temperature means what? This would be T2 minus T1 equals to 1 degree centigrade. Actually, it's a temperature difference. That means 1 degree centigrade equal to 1 Kelvin. Correct na? 1 Kelvin. You should not convert into, you should not add plus 273 because it's a temperature difference. Understood? It's a temperature difference. That means even these two temperatures are in degree centigrade or Kelvin, you will get same answer. Understood na? A temperature difference 1 degree centigrade equal to 1 Kelvin. Understood na? So now tell me, here I can say that this would be temperature difference. Here I want to write T2 in terms of T1, 1 plus T1. Understood na? T2 equal to T1 plus 1. So percentage increase. What is the percentage? What is the percentage increase in the, this is the percentage increase means dP by P. What is the percentage increase? P original. Change in pressure by, this is the percentage initial, dP by P initial. That is the percentage increase. dP by P. dP by P. That is the percentage increase. I can say that P2 minus P1 by P1, that is the percentage increase, 0.4%. That means here it is how much? Percentage in the sense into 100 equal to 0.4%. So here P2 minus P1 by P1 equals to 0.4 by 100. 0.4 by 100. Here P2 by P1 equal to P2 by P1 minus 1 equal to 0.4 by 100. So I can say that P2 by P1 equal to 1 plus 0.4 by 100. 0.4 by 100. This is equal to 100.4 by 100. Understood na? So you will be getting like this 1.004. So finally, what is P2? What is P2 here? What is P2 here? 1.004. 1.004 P1. So percentage increase. This is the percentage increase is nothing but dP by P we need to write. dP by P. Clear? Understood? Very simple to solve the problem. Here this is the percentage increase and volume constant. Volume constant we already know pressure is directly proportional to temperature. dP by P. This would be dP by P. dP by P. Okay, so that is the percentage increase. Clear? Now tell me here constant volume in the sense pressure is directly proportional to temperature. Pressure direct here volume is constant. Volume is constant. That means V equal to C. Pressure is directly proportional to temperature. Then P by T equal to constant. P by T equal to constant. P by T equal to constant. Then here P2 by, or else you can write P1 by T1 equal to P2 by T2. P2 by T2. So finally P2 by P1 equal to what? Here you can write P2 by P1 equal to P2 by P1 equal to T2 by T1. T2 by T1. So here P2 equal to, you need to calculate temperature T1, you need to calculate. Just substitute everything, you will be getting. So just now we calculated, what is this? P2 by P1 equal to 1.004. Understood? P2 by P1 equal to, here they are asking T1. Just now we calculated P2 by P1 equal to 1.004. And then T2 by T1, what is the T2 by T1? What is T2 by T1? We need to calculate T2 equal to 1 plus T1. Sorry. T2 equal to 1 plus T1. 1 plus T1. Okay. So this is equal to T2 by T1. T2 by T1. Now tell me what is T1? This is equal to 1 plus T1 by T1. 1 plus T1 equal to this. Here you can write. So from here 1.004 equals to 1 by T1 plus 1. 1 by T1 plus 1. Then you will be getting 1.004 minus 1 equal to 1 by T1. So this is how much? 0.004 equal to 1 by T1. T1 equal to 1 by 0.004. So you can write it as 1000 by 4. So finally equal to 250 Kelvin. 250 Kelvin. T1 equal to, finally T1 equal to 250 Kelvin. Okay, so whatever the answer you are getting from here, that is the thing. So from this relation, temperature must be in terms of Kelvin. Temperatures must be from absolute thermodynamic scale. Temperatures are in temperature are taken from absolute thermodynamic scale. Absolute thermodynamic scale. Absolute thermodynamic scale. Absolute thermodynamic scale. Understood na? So this is the way. So we have written the conditions and then we applied it. It is very simple to solve the problem. This is P actually. This is P only. Understand? Don't feel it as a rho. It's a P. This would be P. Very simple. Understood? What is the answer to this question? T1 equal to initial temperature T1 equal to 250 Kelvin. Understood? So this is the data and final answer to this question will be T1 equal to this. So what we did here, so P2 by P1 is very simple. You need to understand one thing, percentage increase. This would be P dP by P. Rise in temperature, percentage increase in pressure. So you need to understand this, percentage increase in pressure. Percentage increase in pressure in the sense, you need to write like this, change in pressure by original pressure into 100%. That is the percentage increase. Anytime change in that parameter by original parameter we need to write. That is the basic procedure. So this would be final pressure minus initial pressure by initial pressure into 100%. So then you will be getting in terms of percentage. Understood na? So here that is why you have written P2 minus P1 by P1 into 100 you have written, then only you will be getting 0.4%. From here you got P2 by P1 equal to 1.004. So now change in temperature. So rise in temperature in the sense, change in temperature in the sense T2 minus T1. This is the change in temperature. Okay na? 1 degree centigrade is change in temperature. Here you need to remember one thing. This is also very important point. Change in temperature given, in that case Kelvin or degree centigrade both are same. Understood na? So you can straight away write 1 Kelvin. You can write 1 Kelvin here. Straight away write 1 Kelvin. So what is T2 here? T2 equal to T1 plus 1. Everything Kelvin. T1 plus 1. You substituted this part T2 by T1 equal to P2 by P1, or else straight away you can write what is T1. From here also you can write T1 equal to P1 by P2 into T2, P1 by P2 into T2. So you substituted everything, then we got, you have done some basic level calculations. Finally, we got this. What is T1? From here we can do the calculations. 250 Kelvin. That is the final answer to this question. This is NET type given in JEE Mains 2022 Shift 2. You need to understand these two things. Percentage increase in pressure. What is the meaning of percentage increase in pressure? What is the meaning of change in temperature or rise in temperature? And temperature difference is given. In that case, degree centigrade and Kelvin both are same. This is the way to solve this problem.